Hey friends, let's jump straight in, and with this lesson we'll do all the guitar parts. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So guitar 1 for our intro just plays the G power chord 2 times, does 2 mutes, a down up, then does another mute right before it starts again with an up, and then we're just repeating that back to the G, and we're doing that 8 times. And 8 times there. Now let's have a look at the little solo intro. So we're just starting with a bend on the 15B, then play it again while the bend's up, then we play 15 again just on the B, and bend on 18 on the B, a slow bend there, so start down and bend it up. Then on the B we play 18, 15, G, 17, 15, back to 14, 15, 17, then do 15, hammer onto 17 on the G and bend. Then just to the B, 15 and bend on 18. And they're all the parts to the intro. So for our verse, we just go back to the intro riff 4 times on the G with the mutes. 3 and 4. Then we're going back to an F power chord, do 2 quick ones. Then we're doing 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we repeat that all again, back to the G 4 times. 3, 4, back to the F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back to the G. First riff again 3 times. Now the 4th time we do the 2 Gs again, and we're muting 3 times, 1, 2, 3 this time. Now the second guitar is just playing an F9 chord, and we're just strumming up there. So we have 3 on the E, 1 on the B, 2 on the G, 1 on the D, 3 on the A, and 1 on the E. And we're doing that each time we go to the F power chord. And they're all the parts to the verse. So we're starting on the B flat, go to an F power chord, and again, then just move up to the G power chord 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do that again, B flat, to the F, F, to the G 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Now go back to the F and hold it. 1, 2, 3, and on the 4 do a down, up, down. Then go to the G, hold it, 1, 2, 3, and on the 4 again, down, up, down on the G. Then go back to the B flat 2 times, up to C, and we're doing that 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's guitar 1. Guitar 2 is playing all the same, except on our B flat, we're doing a down, up, and this is on the acoustic guitar. That's the only difference there, and that's our first chorus. So for our post-chorus, we're just going back to the G riff 4 times. And we have the solo in there as well, so let's have a look at that. So we're just starting with the 6 on the E and bend, then play 3 on the E and bend 6 on the B. And that's our little post-chorus there. From there we go back to the verse, and guitar 1 and 2 are the same, back to the chorus, and guitar 1 and 2 are the same. Now for our first solo rhythm, we're just doing the G riff again 16 times. So do that 16 times. Now let's have a look at that first solo. So we're just starting with a trill on the G string, open G, hammer onto 3. Then we're staying on the G, bend 17. Then release it, so hold the bend up, play it and release it. Play 15. Jump to 18 on the B. Then do 18, pull off to 15. Back to 18, do a bend and release. Jump to the 17 on the G, release the bend. Play 15, then bend the 17 G. Then we're just jumping to the E20 and bending. And that's our first solo there. So it's going to be similar to our first chorus. We have the B flat to the F 2 times, up to the G 4 times. 3, 4, do that again, B flat, F, F to our G, 1, 2, 3, 4, back to our F, 3, and on the 4, down, up, down, to our G, 1, 2, 3, and on the 4, this time just a down, up. Go to an E flat, so 6A, 8, D and G, play it 2 times, then a down, up, down. Back to an E minor, we're just doing this 3 times. To an F the same, to a G the same, to the B flat again 3 times. Back to the C, and we do it 5 times there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's guitar 1. Guitar 2 is doing the same as our first chorus. We're just playing that B flat with a down, up, down, up. And that's the second chorus there. So let's have a look at the solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. So we're just going back to our first riff again, the G, and we're doing it 3 times. Then we're going to go F, mute, C, and we do that section through 4 times. So 4 times there, and the next section we go back to the G riff and we play it 3 times again. Then we're going to play a C power chord back to an F, back to a C, and then just play 3rd fret on the D, 2nd on the G. And we're doing that section through 4 times as well. So. Then we're going back to the G again, another 3 times. Now we're going to go 5D, 5A, 5D, 5A, back to the D, 3, 2, open, to the A, 3, open, 1, 2, 3. Jump to the G power chord, do it 2 times and stop. Then we're doing F, F sharp, G 2 times. And we repeat that again, the G again. Our F, F sharp, G 2 times. Now we're going back to the start of that solo rhythm, play it all the way through again up to our rundown and including. So we still have the, and to finish off we're just going back to the F power chord and doing a build up there. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 that's our solo rhythm, and we'll look at our solo at the end. From there we just go back to our first chorus and do the same. Then we have this outro. So we're just doing B flat to F, B flat to F, B flat to F, and then I'll run down the same. D, 3, 2, open, A, 3, open, 1, 2, 3, finish on the G power chord 2 times. Now all the rhythm parts, let's have a look at that solo. So I'm going to start with a bend on 20 on the E, bend release, pull off to 18. Then do the same on the B, 20, bend release, pull off to 18. Jump to G, 17, bend release, pull off to 15. Play 17D, jump back to 13A. Play 17A and D to 15 on the E, slide down. Then play the open D and G string. Then we're going back to the start again, 20, bend release, pull off to 18. Same on the B. Back to the G, 17, bend release, pull off to 15. 17, 13 on the A. Then play 17D, back to 15E, slide down. Now we have this quick first fret on the E and the B to the 3rd fret 2 times. Then we're jumping up to the 20th fret on the B string, bend, do it 3 more times, 1, 2, 3, release the bend, play 18, bend 17 on the G, 18 on the B, release the 17 on the G, do the slide down again from 15 on the E. Then play the 3 on the B and the E, bend 5 on the G while it's ringing. Then we have this quick little lick, we're going to do G, 3, hammer onto 5, 2, hammer onto 3, pull off to open. Then we go 2, hammer onto 3, hammer onto 5, pull off to 3, pull off to open, and do that 3 times. Back to 3 on the G, then we palm mute, 2, 3, 2, 3, then do 2, hammer onto 3, pull off to 2, 3D, 2G, back to D, 3, slide up to 5, 3G, 5 on the D, and bend 3 on the D. Then we play 5 on the D, to the A, we're going to go 3, 4, 5, 3, back to the E, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do a half bend on 5 on the B, then do a bend and release, then play the 5 with a release, so start with the bender, pull off the 3, 3 on the G, and then we do 3 on the G, 3 on the B, bend and release, bend on the 5, play 6 E, bend again the 5, pull off the 3 on the B, then 3 on the G, back to 3 on the B, and we do that 2 times. Two times there, and then jump to the G string 7, slide back to 5, 5 again, slide back to 3, 3 again, slide back to 2, then play 3 on the D, slide up to 5. Now we have this quick little lick again, and we're going to do this 4 times. Bend the 5 on the G, play 6 on the B, E, do 4, pull off the 3 on the E, 6 on the B, 5 on the G, 6 on the B, bend the 3 on the G, let it come down, slide up to the 9 and bend the 9 now. We're doing that 4 times. Four times there. Then the next lick we're starting with a bend on the 5G again, 6B, 6E. Now play 10 on the E, back to 6, 10, 6, and do that again, 10, 6, stay on the E, go 8, 6, 5, B, 7, jump to 2 on the G, play 2, 3, 4, 5, jump to 15 on the E, and then play 15 on the B and the E and slide down. Then we're just bending 15 on the E. Now to finish off we have 6 on the B and the E, 7 on the G, 6B and E, then do the 6B and E again, 7 on the G, 6B and E, slide up to 8, back to 6. Then to finish off we have E, 6, pull off the 3, pull off the open, play 6 on the B, play the 6 again, pull off the 3, pull off the open, 5 on the G, 5, pull off the 3, pull off the open, 5 on the D, then just bend the 3 on the D. And they're all our parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Magic Man Guitar Lesson by Heart. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.